Hello, my name is Sandhya and I do easy and quick Indian recipes on this channel. Today's recipe is using mushroom. We are going to make a biryani out of mushroom. So the ingredients list for this dish is given in the description box below. Before we move into the video, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button and the bell next to it for notifications. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and comment. Let's have a look at the ingredients required to make mushroom biryani. In here, I've got button mushroom which I've just cut into 2 pieces and kept ready. I have sliced onions here, some chopped mint leaves and coriander leaves, some curd, turmeric powder, coriander powder and coarsely ground pepper powder, ginger, garlic and green chili paste, and also some whole spices like cloves, green cardamom, fennel and cinnamon. I'm going to be using jeera rice or the short grain basmati rice to make this dish. We'll also need some ghee and salt to taste. So let's start making the biryani. So I've placed a pressure pan on fire. Into that I've added a little bit of ghee and oil. Once this heats up, we'll add in the whole spices. We'll wait for a minute for the spices to release its aroma before adding the next set of ingredients. So the spices are done. Let's add in the finely sliced onions. We'll saute it until it turns translucent. You can cook this in an open pot also. I'm cooking it in the pressure cooker to just save time. So the onion has become translucent. Now let's add in the ginger, garlic and green chili paste. We'll cook that until the raw smell disappears. The ginger, garlic and green chili paste is also done now. Now I'll add in the chopped coriander and mint leaves. Saute it for a minute or so. Then in goes the masalas, that's coriander powder, turmeric powder and coarsely ground pepper. We'll cook the masalas for a few seconds. I've added a tablespoon of water so that the masalas don't burn. Now we'll add in the curd. Once the curd is nicely mixed in, let's add in the mushrooms. Now this looks like there's a lot of mushroom, but then mushroom has mostly water in it, so it will shrink once it's cooked. So let's just saute this in this masala for a few minutes. I've cooked the mushrooms for around 10 minutes and you can see it's released water and the masala is nicely cooked. Now I've got water in here, hot water into which I've added some salt required for the biryani. Now let's add this water into the mushroom. So the water that I'm using is 1:2. So for 1 cup of basmati rice, you'll use 2 cups of water. This will depend on the quantity of your rice also, so you can just check and use accordingly. So this is ready. Now I've got the rice which I've cleaned and drained. Let's add that into this. Mix the rice in. Clear the sides of the pressure cooker. Now we'll cover and cook this on high for 1 whistle. So I've kept it on high flame. Let's wait for 1 whistle. So the biryani is cooked and ready nicely. We'll let this sit for a few minutes before plating it. So this biryani is a very quick option if you are using the pressure cooker, and it comes out very tasty. So do try it at home, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and comment. I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Until then, bye bye.